Forget everything you think you know about a PCOS diet. We are so done with deprivation. Instead, we're embracing abundance, an abundance of flavor, nutrients, and satisfaction. This whole approach is built on a few key ideas that are total game changers for PCOS, balancing blood sugar, fighting inflammation, and supporting your hormones. And it all starts with the very first thing you eat. Are you tired of hearing that managing polycystic ovary syndrome means a lifetime of boring, joyless meals? Fed up with the idea that healing has to feel like a punishment? The truth is, up to 70% of women with PCOS don't even know they have it, struggling with a whole host of frustrating symptoms, often in silence. This PCOS Awareness Month, which rolls around every September, we're flipping that script. It's time to say goodbye to the endless plates of bland chicken and broccoli and hello to a world of flavor. All right, let's get to the fun part, the food. I'm going to walk you through a breakfast, lunch, and dinner that are bursting with flavor and designed to make you feel amazing. Recipe 1, the Sunrise Power Parfait. We're starting our day with a breakfast that'll satisfy any sweet cravings and give you steady energy all morning. This is no ordinary yogurt bowl. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. For this, you'll need 1 cup of plain full-fat Greek yogurt, half a cup of mixed berries. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries are great. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a small handful of walnuts, a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Here's how easy it is to throw together. Grab your Greek yogurt as the base. We're going for full fat because that fat is key for absorbing certain vitamins and really keeping you full. Plus, Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, which helps manage insulin resistance and keep hormones balanced. Next, toss in your berries. Berries are perfect for PCOS because they're low on the glycemic index and full of antioxidants that help calm inflammation. They give you that sweetness you want without the blood sugar chaos. Now for our healthy fats and fiber, sprinkle in that tablespoon of chia seeds. These little guys are incredible sources of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for hormone health. Top it off with the walnuts for a great crunch and another hit of healthy fats and protein. Finish it with a dash of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for flavor. Some studies show it can help your body use insulin better, making it a perfect little bonus for a PCOS-friendly meal. And that's it! In under 5 minutes, you have a gorgeous, layered parfait that's as good for you as it is delicious. It's the perfect way to start your day feeling nourished and in control. Recipe 2, the Mediterranean Glow Bowl for lunch. We're taking a little trip to the Mediterranean. Diets from this region are often recommended for PCOS because they're naturally anti-inflammatory and focus on whole foods. This colorful bowl is a breeze to make, great for meal prep, and will save you from that afternoon slump. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of chickpeas rinsed, a handful of cherry tomatoes sliced in half, about 1/4 of a cucumber chopped, about 1/4 of a red bell pepper chopped, a little feta cheese or a dairy-free version. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of tahini, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let's build this beautiful bowl. Start with a bed of quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and a high-fiber carb, which makes it a fantastic grain choice for keeping blood sugar in check. Next, add your chickpeas. They're a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, helping you stay full and energized. Now, let's make it pretty with all the veggies. Add the tomatoes, cucumber, and bell pepper. This rainbow isn't just for show. All the different colors mean you're getting a wide variety of vitamins and antioxidants. Time for the dressing. This is where the magic really happens. In a little bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, and tahini. Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds, and it adds a creamy, nutty flavor and a boost of healthy fats. Drizzle that deliciousness all over your bowl. Finally, crumble a bit of feta on top for a salty, savory kick. If you don't do dairy, no worries. Just leave it out or use a plant-based crumble. This Mediterranean Glow Bowl is seriously a feast for your eyes and your stomach. It's solid proof that a healthy lunch can be exciting and super simple. Recipe 3, 1-pan lemon herb. Salmon with roasted veggies dinner should be about relaxing, and the last thing anyone wants is a complicated meal with a mountain of dishes. That's why this 1-pan recipe is a weeknight lifesaver. Salmon is a true superstar for PCOS management, and this meal tastes as fancy as it is easy. Here's what you need. 1 6-ounce salmon fillet, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 cup of asparagus spears with the tough ends snapped off, half a sweet potato chopped into small cubes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 lemon, half sliced, half for juice, a teaspoon of dried herbs like dill or rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. And here's the ridiculously simple method. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. On a big baking sheet, toss the sweet potato, broccoli, and asparagus with the olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs. Spread them in a single layer. Let them roast for about 10 minutes to get a head start. While that's happening, pat your salmon fillet dry and season it well with salt and pepper. After the 10 minutes are up, pull the pan out of the oven. Scoot the veggies over to make a spot in the middle and place your salmon right on the pan. Lay a few lemon slices on top of the salmon. Pop the whole thing back in the oven for another 12-15 minutes. You'll know it's done when the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork, and the veggies are tender with some nice roasted edges. Once it's out, squeeze the juice from the other half of the lemon over everything. It just brightens it all up and brings the flavors together perfectly. This one-pan meal is the definition of healing, delicious food. You've got your omega-3 rich salmon to fight inflammation, your high-fiber veggies, and the complex carbs from the sweet potato to keep your blood sugar steady. It's a perfectly balanced, deeply satisfying meal with hardly any cleanup. Smart snacking. Sometimes you just need a little something between meals, and snacking smart is key to keeping your energy up and blood sugar stable. The rules are the same. Pair protein, fat, and fiber. Think about an apple with a spoonful of almond butter, a small handful of nuts and seeds, or some veggie sticks with hummus. These snacks are easy, and they'll stop you from grabbing processed, sugary stuff when hunger hits. See? Eating for PCOS isn't about restriction at all. It's about being strategic and finding joy in nourishing your body. It's about filling your plate with beautiful, whole foods that heal you from the inside out. These recipes are just a jumping-off point. This PCOS Awareness Month, I really hope you feel inspired to get in the kitchen and have fun with your food again. Take these ideas and run with them. Your body, your hormones, and your taste buds will definitely thank you. What are some of your go-to PCOS-friendly meals? I'd love to see them, so please share them in the comments below. Let's build a community where we can support and inspire each other because we're all on this journey together. If you found this helpful and you're excited to try these recipes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious healing meal ideas and wellness tips. Thanks for hanging out with me on this journey to a healthier, happier you. You have the power to heal, and it can absolutely start with your very next meal.